Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I deep clean this clutter fest of a kitchen. I don't know why I decided to do this, but I did. It took me 2 days because I got sick, so if that tells you anything. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you're notified of every time I upload a video, and let's get on to cleaning. As you can see, we don't have the fanciest of kitchens, and we've been wanting to redo it since we moved in, but we just, always have something else that comes up. So I have really been hating being in here because it's always super cluttered. So I decided to just start taking stuff out that we're not going to use. And really, I don't think we need 30,000 plates and 30,000 bowls. So I started with clearing that side of the kitchen out. And I have my spice rack right next to the stove, so when I cook, some of the grease sometimes gets onto the little containers. So I just took off all the lids and let them soak in hot water with soap, and I just cleaned them off. And as usual, I gotta use my purple Fabuloso to clean with, so if you're wondering what's in the bottle, that's what it is. This is probably one of the areas in the kitchen that bothers me the most. I don't know how many pieces of Tupperware we have, and some of it's not even Tupperware, it's just old containers from like sour cream or noodles that we got from a restaurant, and as you can see, it was just a shitload of it. So I basically just took out everything out of there and only kept a select few containers that actually had matching lids, and the rest of it just went to Goodwill. For all my cooking utensils, I basically just cleaned house on this as well. I don't need 5 spatulas and 3 ladles and whatever else, so I took out what I didn't really use. And if you can hear the little squirming in the background, it's because Milani is right here next to me. Say hi, Milani. Anyway, so I just really kept a select few that I normally use, and the rest, again, went to Goodwill. If you guys ever see me making like sudden movements with my shoulder and my back, I'm not on drugs, I promise. It's because I have like back issues and my shoulder's always hurting. So if you ever see those little movements, I'm not crazy, I promise. when I clean, I use paper towels to wipe stuff down, but because this was an actual deep clean, excuse me, Milani, I'm talking, I use a rag and I just wash it throughout. That way I'm not cleaning with the same dirt that I'm picking up.
Pasaron de moda, sé que no te duele verme llorar y ponerme de rodillas. Antes me querías, pero antes ya pasó.
To clean my stove, I'm just using some baking soda and vinegar, and it'll help dissolve all that burnt stuff that's around the glass top. So basically I just put the baking soda, vinegar, let it sit for a little bit, and then I scrub it with one of these little metal scrubby things. I made sure to put gloves on also because I didn't want all that vinegar and stuff on my hands since I am holding the baby while I'm doing this. And so here I am on day 2. Again, I got sick. If you can hear my voice, I'm still a little muffled because I'm still trying to get over that cold, but I was not feeling it, but I had to get this done. This corner on my counter drives me insane because it always gets cluttered, and even though it's nice and clean right now, I'm gonna enjoy it because I know in a couple of days it's gonna get piled with paper and I don't know what else again, and for some reason we just can't help it. you're wondering why my broom is so short, is because it broke and my husband just basically took that piece off and put the plastic back on it. So as of right now, I'm ghetto sweeping because I don't want to go buy a new broom. This one's perfectly fine. Fabuloso every day for everything. Fabuloso. If you want to sponsor someone, call me. Alright guys, so here we are, 2 days later. My kitchen is nice and clean, and honestly it's been a few days since I recorded this video and it's still clean. Okay, there are some things on the counter, but for the most part it's clean. It feels a lot nicer not having it cluttered. So this is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know people like watching cleaning videos, so do I. I don't know why they're so intriguing. But for now, I will let you guys go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Make sure you check out my DIY spice rack right here.